Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jelly lollipop at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 packets of unflavored gelatin, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Don't forget your preferred flavor extracts and a few drops of food coloring to make them visually appealing. Also, have your lollipop sticks and a silicone mold ready for the next steps. Now, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally, until it reaches exactly 250 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Once it hits that temperature, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in the 4 packets of gelatin until completely dissolved. This is where the fun begins. Once your gelatin mixture is smooth, add 1 teaspoon of your favorite flavor extract, like cherry or strawberry, and a few drops of food coloring. Stir well to distribute the color and flavor evenly. Now, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone lollipop molds, filling each cavity about 3/4 full. Immediately insert a lollipop stick into the center of each filled mold. Almost there, let your freshly poured jelly lollipops set at room temperature for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely firm. If you're in a hurry, you can place them in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to speed up the setting process. Once firm, gently pop each lollipop out of its silicone mold. Now you have delicious, homemade jelly lollipops ready to enjoy or share.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.